Yeah. That's right. Well, I don't know. I don't think I get to go to copyright school again.
You already have the diploma. You can show it to them.
No, I'm pretty sure it's once you. I think the one strike.
I know copyright. I didn't buy them.
I think once YouTube gives you one strike, you're on thin ice. I think you have to wait 6 months before you can break another rule.
Oh, a whole 6 months. Wow.
You got to be careful.
It's a long time when you want to break.
I can't get. I mean, I'm pretty reliant on my YouTube channel. Just that's right. I made 13 cents last year.
Yeah, I clicked on every single one of your ads.
That was all from you, probably. 13 cents.
As soon as they pop up.
From the condom ad.
That's right. Well, I haven't seen the return yet since I switched over to new sponsors. So.
You should just like have the most intrusive ads. You should have like 5-minute unskippable ads for all.
I don't have anything turned on. I think any ads that are on there are ones that they like automatically.
They make them part of the actual video. The first 5 minutes of the video is.
So it's a whole advertisement. You got to click all over the place, like navigate to the video.
Voiced over by you.
Seriously.
This class is sponsored by Audible.
Yeah.
I should do promo placements in class. It's like, today we're going to be writing this program brought to you by Nabisco. Go with the host with the most. Go with the... Nobody likes those generic brand sacraments. Go with the host with the most. All right. So last time we looked at this copy program. And I think we finished walking through it, right? Pretty sure? So we're going to try to get this to run. That's our first step.
First step is to compile it.
Well, first step is to copy it.
Yeah, well.
From so how far are we going to go down this road? First step is to use your eyes. All right, so, well, first of all, for the quiz, what are the two parameters for the main function?
An integer that holds the count, that is the number of arguments in the string array.
Okay, sure. So here they are specifically. So we have an argument count, an integer, and then we have a string array, which is the actual command line arguments. And why do we need two parameters? That's what the two parameters are. That's what they do. Why do we need both of them? Go ahead.
String array doesn't know how many its count.
Yeah, so arrays in C cannot report their length. So we need to pass the length. Make sense? And everybody in here should have gotten that right because we spoke about it at length last class. Did anybody miss it?
Partially. Because I wrote it down.
Well, it doesn't matter how you wrote it down. You should have, if you're paying attention in class, this should be just ingrained in there. Everything that comes out of my mouth is gold.
I almost wrote that down.
All right, so I have really low expectations here, but we're going to give this a shot. So let's see. Let's do CD. Well, let's try it first. I'm going to do a make directory CSC450 CD that. Let's do vi copy.c. Paste all that stuff in there. All right, fair enough. This guy should be there. This guy should be there. This guy we're going to need to write ourselves. I found it in theory. TLPI HDR. Oh. TLPI underscore HDR. PI underscore HDR dot H. That's that guy. Okay, so,
What did you try? What's in the header file?
well, this new header file has, oh, so we're handling numeric arguments. For right now, we could just dump this. We're going to just assume that's not there. Looks like the other ones have found, because just to actually to explain this, notice all these other ones that have angle brackets around it. These are ones that should be part of the System C library. They should already be there, part of glibc or something else. All right. Things that have double quotes around them means that we should look for these locally. So if you look at our up top here, system function, but this guy is a local helper. Okay, the double quotes is around it. So that's why we had to create that .h file locally. Now what it just yelled at us about is that there is one thing in there, this other local thing called getnum.h that we're not using in this, I don't think we're using it in this current program. So I just went in here and commented it out for right now. When we get to a situation where we need it, we'll bring it back in.
What about your functions then?
Who?
Your functions.h. They're below it.
Oh, that's going to be a problem as well. And it may be a bigger problem because I think we do some error checking, but we can just comment that out. Who needs error checking when you write perfect code, right? Awesome. So let's try to compile this again. Okay, only one warning. Oh, he did totally use it. Okay, hold on. We're gonna make this right. We're gonna get the getnum.h and the error functions.h, so we have all those values. All right. The entire source tarball. Let's see what this guy gives us. Error functions.h. Oh, but it's also going to want the error functions.c. All right, so we need both of these.
Just use that directory.
Huh?
Just use that directory. Put your copy in there.
I don't know if I really want to do that. I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that.
What happens when those have other dependencies?
All right. So we're going to compile this. So we're going to cd into that directory. We're going to do a make. Oh, error, no such. Note on the source code. And then we're going to see the file building. Okay. More building. Oh, I need to do a ./configure, I'm sure, first. I was just stupid. Well, maybe I wasn't as stupid as I thought. Well. Oh, we need to go into the TLPI subdirectory. First, okay, then do a make there, then go into the lib directory. And do a make there. Okay.
Looked like it was either or, not both. Either do that or do this.
Oh, building all programs from all directories versus.
Yeah, the other one looks awfully tedious.
Programs. Build programs in individual directories. Well, it seems like the first one's better.
Obviously.
CD TLPI. Well, we're already in that directory. That's the unfortunate predicament we find ourselves in. So let's go into CD lib and let's do a make on this. Only one error generated here, use of undeclared nsig. Oh, there's a whole lot of nice errors there.
Oh, look, there's more.
All right, hold on. So let's we're going back to my original idea. So we're gonna get this thing working on the Mac. We're gonna spend maximum of 10 minutes, then we're going over to Cloud9. All right, I said I wanted these four, right? Copy 4 items, and then we're gonna go into where's my home folder?
Just to add it.
I don't want to add it.
If you
I
want it.
don't want to add it.
Go up to go in your menu bar up top. There you go. Home.
Go home. Okay. I don't have internet.
All right, we got those guys in there now. Oy. All right, let's go to Cloud9. Well, it's not even this stuff's not even the same architecture. Well, okay, hold on. Hold on. All right, we're gonna. Not gonna use that. We're not gonna use that.
You just got sent directions to his drug
and it's recorded.
Directions to the complex.
Don't judge. I just lost Egypt. That's out of context on the video. Okay, so now.
Now you get flagged on YouTube for.
Oh, here's this usage error crap. All right, so that doesn't break any rules. Hold on, these don't break rules. All right, this is error checking. This is error checking. Not doing that. Error checking, error checking. I'm sure it'll be right.
The fatal would have still gone.
Close.
Hey, success.
That's how you get rid of errors. Error checking.
All right.
Save lines
Let's see if that. Oh, that's just the get in thing. Okay, what line is that? Line 60. All right. Or line 13. Line 13. Yeah, it's line 13. Oh.
Profile. Yeah, profile. It's in the header. The book file. Yeah.
Where? Oh, it's in this guy. Oh, this is just on
Didn't you grab the error functions too?
What's up?
Didn't you put the error functions in the direct?
Yeah, but those had other issues.
You gotta come up the line and blow it.
Yeah, because I did the single line thing. All right, that should be better. Boom. All right. So we're gonna copy this error functions.h. Let's see what this guy looks like. Yeah, perfect. So we're gonna do ./a.out error functions.h to the copy.h more to copy. Dang it.
It obviously worked. It exited successfully.
All right, hold on. Hold on a second
I'm pretty sure you deleted the right line.
here. You think that could be possible?
I'm pretty sure, like 99% sure, there was a right line after that while you deleted.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That actually looks highly likely. Now that I'm looking at what's missing, let's go and get that guy back in there. Oh yeah, right here. Oh, we can throw the fatal back in. You're right.
Yeah.
It's not part of the error thing. Yeah, so this totally worked. I do need to get that semicolon off there. And we're going to write this like humans too, not like this Neanderthal where you don't use curly braces. See, we removed error checking and we're adding back in reasonable formatting. I should probably start using the text editor. All right, let's run this guy again. Oh, what doesn't it like? Oh, it doesn't like fatal.
Oh, you don't need to file with. No, you just have to do some weird thing with the JSON.
We're not doing that.
Okay. We gotta break up the loop of these. Oh, okay.
Woot! All right, so let's actually try something here. Well, no, it was more fun, interesting for 10 minutes. Was I within 10 minutes?
We were definitely.
All right, let's go and look at Cloud9. All right, so I need to create a new workspace. So I went to Cloud9, I created an account. I've never used this before, so we'll see what happens. Hi, free me. What? Nitrous. Which is funny because Nitrous took away their free thing, and then they just brought it back after they lost a zillion people.
Literally like today. I think
We're not going back. All right, so I'm gonna create a new workspace on here. I assumed we went C++, or you think we went custom?
Well, we want C++, we're doing C.
Well, this should give us a lot of the libraries, but we'll go with custom. All right.
You're the one that says you're going to write your own library.
CSC440. 450, good. So you knew it was wrong. CSC450 hope. Oh, I can clone from a Git repo. Create workspace. Stop cursing, start coding.
Make that a bumper sticker.
That's not going to get people into
We did just prove you can get that to run on a Mac, though. Using a completely different architecture. Oh, something bad just happened. Let's see. This guy is probably going to be using what, wget for. So we need to.
Probably this is the version of the code that you want.
Now I'm confused. I downloaded the book version before. All right, we'll get this guy. I need to just get the address. So assuming this works, you all need to create a Cloud9 account. But I maybe wouldn't go too far into it until we prove that this works, because we need a consistent development environment. And I think if we use this, then everybody's on the same environment regardless of whether you're Mac or PC.
I'm a human.
Yeah?
I'm a human.
Oh, well, whatever.
No, you drank the Kool-Aid.
Yeah, you did. Well, no, it's kind of old. He's got the old plug. Nobody likes
Yeah.
that.
I forget to even plug mine in. I go days without. Like 3 days on this thing.
Yeah, this is just trucking.
Well, for me, I just want 20%, then it was done.
Oh. See? You were my good luck charm. We'll just call you Lucky Charm. Nickname.
Wait,
That's bound to stick.
he's from South Bend too, where the Irish are. Lucky Charms. Have I watched the series?
I was
Okay, shut up. All right, so this guy comes with a an IDE, so for editing stuff. Let's go ahead and here as a good starting point. I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna create a file in here. New file. Copy.c. Okay. Now, we are going to put into that file our stuff from out here. Ooh. So let's see if we can just get our Mac running version running on here. All right. Is this big enough? Can we see that? I don't know. Well, there. That better? That good?
Yeah.
All right. So we'll save that. Now we need to give ourselves a that'll actually be fun. So let's just try to compile it. GCC copy.c. Oh, I need to give that header file. So it's a TLPI HDR. TLPI underscore HDR dot H. All right. And here's all that crap. Oop, don't want all that. I want all right, now ./a.out copy copy.c to copy more to copy. Aha! All right, so our Mac version works on here. So far we're in decent shape. Now let's see if we can get the full dealie working on here. So we're gonna well, actually, before I do that, I'm going to go in here. I'm going to copy this. This is the link to that tarball. I'm going to go into here. We're going to go into here. I assume it's wget on here. Yeah. I just copy the text, not the link. My pebbles. Open link in new tab. Oh, thank you. It's just beautiful. Oh, there we go. Was that not there before, or was I just missing it?
You just missed it.
A Mac bug. All right, so now I have that. Who is it? tar.xvz tl. That's not going to do much. Dash. Yay. Extract. Tarball. Forgetting the this will do it. Okay. So we'll do that. TLPI. There we go. Is there a way for me to make this bigger? Aha! All right. So now, and they said we should just be able to do a make in here. So a makefile is effectively a file that says these are all the source code files you need to compile and in what order. Because there's sometimes a dependency where this guy needs to be compiled because this guy relies on his compiled version. So we did a make. Now, I don't know. Does Cloud9 give us access to the I'm talking about something in my head. Does it give us access to the lib directory? What'd you say?
Nothing related to that, I guess.
Oh. Was it funny?
No, it was what I thought was you were looking for, but was not.
Oh. See, isn't this exciting? This is building way longer than the Mac was building. This is what it's
No,
like.
It takes longer. It takes longer on a Mac. It doesn't.
I'm not on Mac. I'm on Cloud9.
No, you're running a Mac though. The Windows PC you had it built before yours.
Really? No.
Clearly. Superior OS.
Oh, we don't have a make install. Okay. More building. Oh, that would have been nice. I could have just stolen their command there. All right, so I did the make. All right, so we have all that stuff now. Now we need to add that to our, so we have all these things. Let's try something here in case it sets up dynamic libraries anyways. So I'm going to go into okay, it looks like they give us a lib library that we can use. So we can probably throw that stuff in here, but let me just try something here first. All right. Shrink that back down. Let's get rid of this README, get rid of the copy, out, get rid of the tarball. Delete. Yes. Okay. So now we want to put these couple of things back in. Let's save that. And let's see if it just builds as is. Technically, this should look in the current directory, but it's possible it adds it to our path. Okay, so we want to say gcc copy.c. But it didn't, oh, it just failed out before it got to the other part. So if I do that, it's going to fail on the error function one now, right? Yeah, okay. So let's go back here. Technically, if I copy all the .o files to my /lib, ooh, what? Well, I guess I don't have anything to lose with that then. Copy star.o to /lib. So that little tilde thing there is my home directory. Okay, so now if I go in here, I should see all those files. Which now the theory is that if I go into my workspace, let me shrink this back down, I should be able to do this. Assuming Cloud9's lib thing maps the way it looks like it should map. So let's find out. Nope. Well, I guess for the sake of argument, let's copy copy.c into tl pi underscore that. Oh, no. Dist lib. Worst part is this was Haxton's idea in the first place. To just run it out of the lib directory.
No surprises.
Not built. Ay. Okay. So let's try throwing in our full, unadulterated version of this. All right, so we need to go in here, then inside of lib, and then here's our copy.c. All right. Out of curiosity, I wonder if this has like an auto formatter. That would make me really like this. Nope. All right. So let's compile it again. Undefined reference to error exit. That should be in the error blah blah error functions.h. Let's look at there. Error exit is right here.
There is a formatter.
Who?
There is a formatting. It's under edit.
Oh, this guy?
Yeah.
So I can go up to edit and do
Bottom.
Code formatting over there.
probably, well, okay, whatever. This code cannot be beautified. Well, I think we can just treat it like it's JavaScript. It should be pretty much the...
Yeah, nope. Nope.
Well, I don't think that's bad. It's better than it was. You know, you wouldn't call that beautified?
Main drop down again though.
Huh?
Main drop down.
Oh, it had already dropped down. It's the starting point. Okay. Oh, whoa. This part was not beautified. Well, it looks like this is going to end up working reasonably well. So we'll say your homework for Friday is to get follow this video and get some version of copy.c working, even if it's the version where I deleted everything in Cloud9. Get a Cloud9 account set up. Ideally, you would do the wget thing that I did with the make. So just follow the video to do that, but get a copy.c version working, even if it's the one where I removed all the error handling. Just get your environment set up for Friday. And then I'll put up the assignment, but give me a screenshot of your...
Could we just put the link in for the Cloud9? Because it is public.
I made what public?
Cloud9 is public, so you can just put the link in.
Oh, I can give this will give you the code?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So I can go into yours and take everything from it.
Can you change my stuff too?
No, you can't edit it.
Okay, that's fine. I'll put this link up too. But give me a screenshot of your I don't know, your this screen right here. Your code plus the thing down here, showing me that you have an environment set up.
You played any Heroes?
Is there any way to change that from black to white?
I don't know.
There is? Because from the back there we can't see it.